Hi. I'm sorry, you just need to stop. Stop looking for the MariaDB. If you've just stumbled on this video and you're wondering what's going on, well, I've been renovating our home for the last couple of years and I'm building a smart home system. As part of that smart home build, I'm putting in place Home Assistant. As part of the Home Assistant install, I'm setting up the MariaDB. Are you following? Are you with me? So last week I got the database, the add-in installed, the database running, and then I started to wonder, where are the files? Where's the data? I want to go and touch them and feel them and look at them. Got a couple of comments. I'm not the only one. So last week's video, Greg, yes, also wants to know where the MariaDB is. I'll tell you today, Greg. Stop looking. Well, the hint came from Joseph. Now, Joseph, he had done an install of Plex and was using phpMyAdmin online to manage the database. He's trying to figure out how to Bing! Light bulb went off in my head. Joseph, thank you very much. Your comment, while I have no answer to help you, it helped me solve my problem. It's a database. I don't need to care where the files are. What I want to do is look at the data and back it up. So stop looking for the files. Today, I'm going to show you how to see the data inside the database and back it up. Let's begin. So we jump over to Home Assistant, go straight to the add-on store, and we're going to add in phpMyAdmin. Install. Now this add-on's awesome. There's no config. You don't have to do anything. Oh, there's 2 buttons you can click. But this add-on in Home Assistant will allow you to browse all of the databases on, for example, Home Assistant Blue, and you'll be able to see the data. And you can also use it to back up that data. So here we are. There is nothing to set in the config. Perfect. Let's turn on Show in Sidebar. There you go. Now it's over here. And let's start it up. That's it. It's ready to use. Let's go and have a look. Open up. Now here we see the database is running on my Home Assistant Blue related to system. And then here's the one I set up last week. I named my MariaDB Home Assistant. I know, very original, but this is the one. So in here, I see 4 tables. Now something that's a little bit interesting, let's look at states. So in the states table, we can see, for example, events of the sun, events of the weather. Okay, so let's look at weather and home. So we can see here the weather, minus 10.3 degrees Celsius. Yes, that's true, it is cold. So there's the data. What else are you looking for? Okay, just start running queries on it if you want to see the trends. So let's have a look. Weather, home. Let's go and write a query. Select all from states where entity ID equals weather.home go. There I have it. You can see some history from the last week when I first set up the database. It was minus 10, cloudy. Let's have a look if we sort this by ascending order created. We can see right now, oh, look at that. It's a beautiful minus 6.6 degrees Celsius outside. So there's my history data of the temperature where I live. That's it. You don't need to find the files. You want to find the data. Now I've shown you how you can find the data. But Paul, how do I back it all up? Well, you don't need to go grab files and back them up. Databases don't really work that way, and that's the thing I had forgotten. What you want to do is back up all of the data in the database. Well, in this tool, you can just export it. So let's go up to the database, export, and custom. Here are the tables I want to back up or export. And if I want, I could export them as separate files. Let's do that. I know you want that. And then go. Download onto my computer, into downloads. Now I have a zip file. Let's open that zip file up. And there you have it. States, let's go and have a look. Notepad++. Then if I was to have a look for weather.home, and you can see weather, home, cloudy, minus 10.3, humidity 94, pressure, wind bearing, yeah, everything there. Now, if you really wanted to, you could create a new database, an empty one, and load this file in. Blah! You've restored your database. So there it is. Stop looking for the MariaDB files. Thanks again, Joseph, for the tip. I know you didn't mean to help me. I hope you've solved your problem, but you did help me. I figured it all out. So I hope you, if you've got Home Assistant and you've installed MariaDB, I hope you stop looking now for the files. Just look for the data. And if you want to back it up, export it. Now, there are a few ways you could automate this backup. I'll explore them in the coming weeks. For now, that's it. I'll see you next time. More innovation on the way tomorrow. Next week, more Home Assistant. See you then. Bye.